Hello everyone, today I'll be trying to repair these n64 controllers. And I got them at Cash Guys. As you can see, they don't work. Right here, you can see that they pretty much drift off into their own ways. As you can see. And this one, same problem. And it's a common thing for these controls to do that, over wear and tear, because of a design flaw. So what I'm going to be doing is using a pen. But I'm going to trace it with a pencil and put it into the actual joystick. Right, we're going to be taking it apart. Hopefully it's not like put in really tightly, because this is a bent screw and I don't have a straight one. Let's see if we can get it open. Oh crap. Let's put that in. Damn, I gotta be careful with that. But it just doesn't want to come out. No matter how many times I spin it, will never reach the top for some reason. Well, that should mean it will come out easily. No, a bit of plastic did. Right here. Oh crap. Well, the screws are still in here. Oh, yeah, here's a problem. This is just loosened. Sorry. The screw can't come out. Yeah. Anyway, good news is we got it open. Now, here's our boy right here. You get him out. So, hopefully I didn't lose any of the small parts, did I? Nah, cool. Alright, I'm just gonna set these. This is... Alright. Now for this part. Right here, I gotta remove it without breaking it. I know I'm doing this wrong. I'm not a professional. I just want to see if I can repair it. This is probably offending odd tinkering. Not just because of the camera setup, but I'm doing it like one of those Chinese channels, like finding a Game Boy in the mud or finding an Xbox in the mud, giving it a shower and then it's good as new. Where was I? Oh yeah. Just gonna move this down, see if I can repair it. Why do I keep screwing everything up? Wait, this R and this is L, right? Just for me to figure out. Ah, no, here we go. Perfect. Not gonna screw it up again. We're onto here, the juicy part. All right. Okay. What was I supposed to do again? Oh yeah, this part right here. I'm so stupid. Come on. There we go. Yeah, that's the part. Okay. Yeah, here it is. A bit of plastic out there. In fact, there's a lot more plastic. Look. Jesus. All right, we're gonna have a look at the inside. Oh, Jesus. All right, here we go. Look at all that grime. Look at all that grime. I'm just gonna put this back here. Not chuck any more things out. Jesus. Here's our target right here. It's so dusty too. Alright. I'll set this to the side. I'm not very organized. You can probably tell. Oh god. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this pen right here. And where you can see that circle is where we're gonna cut it and put it here. I took some advice from there. It's not a restoration video, it's just seeing if I can save these controllers. I'm not a professional. Let's see if I can zoom in. God, I gotta stop hitting everything. Alright, so we got the whole thingy here. Done, sorta. We still gotta cut a bit more, sadly. Don't be stupid. God, knife facing towards my fingers is never a good thing. Come on. Open. Yes, we got it. Here, it should be like a donut shape. At least that's what I remember it being in the video. Not sure if it is donut shape or not. We're just gonna have to do it. So what I want is for it to be hidden underneath. It's not well hidden. Now I'm gonna bend it into a shape that can go around the circle. Oh, this looks so bad. Ugh. I think that should be good. That looks pretty good to me. Yeah. I'd say that's done. Now, to open it. But before I do, I want to check something. Okay, so it's gonna go in. Yeah. Again, I am not professional. Alright, cool. We got it in. Now, I'm gonna set this where I can find it. Moment of truth. Thingy, where are you? There you are. Alright. There we go. Cool. Where is the other thingy? The other thingy? Where's the ring at? Seriously. Don't tell me I lost the ring this early in. That's gonna suck ass. Oh. Okay. Looks pretty good to me. Alrighty. Where'd it all? Cool. That was actually relatively easy. Now, to put this in. I don't know if the same could be said about this. Actually, I got an idea. Yeah, okay. Now, I can feel a bit of resistance. Yeah, that's not normal. Alright, we're doing this again. No! Good enough. Again, good enough. Alright, cool. But make sure this faces the center. See my hand shaking. I want this to be perfect. I should give it a clean, but this is more of a test right now to see if it actually works. And let's see. No, something's wrong. I don't know what it is. It should be working, but no. Clearly it's getting dark, and I spent a lot of time trying to fix this right here. But the bottom part is giving me some resistance, and I don't quite know why. Which is a bit annoying because I kept checking it over and over. Does it have to be vertical? No, because it's impossible to get it vertical. It doesn't work. All right. Let's get this thing going. All right. It's still horrible, but you know what? It's better than nothing. People say, "Hey, I did nothing." I go, "Yeah, I know I did nothing. I did so much nothingness." There we have it. A slightly stiffened, but working nonetheless controller. Also, did I add a screw here? I did, but for some reason it's not entirely screwing in. As you can see, it is not working. Even if I try to stop it, like pressing back. Now, would you like to save? No. That's bad. Guys, as I was taking it apart, I noticed this wasn't plugged in. That's why the thing was spinning. I'm an idiot. I know it's a bit of a mess at the moment, but I couldn't be bothered setting it up once I realized the problem. So you're just going to see a lot of carpet now. Anyway, what I want to do with this, if we can zoom in here, instead of using the plastic bit, in fact, I'll take it out. The video, it was smart, but I didn't agree with it. Okay, let me just get rid of the plastic. Where'd the plastic go anyway? That's probably gone. Alright, not very professional me, don't care. My cat's wandering around. Now, this is what I'm going to do. Yes, I'm using string. Alright, don't give up on me now. We're going to see if this works. Alright, okay. Now, you're going to see a lot of my hands, and I apologize for that. Alright. Now, which one was it? Don't remember. Alright. Where is the other piece? Here it is. Just pop that back in. God damn it. Didn't pop it back in first. It's all messy now. God damn it. Why do I keep doing this? Alright. You can see the string is on there. The camera will actually focus on it. Yeah, so the string's on there. Alright, put these back in. I don't want to test out yet. Okay, now. Holy crap. Actually, kind of works. Not kinda, it works. Alright, let's see if this works. Nothing new so far. Oh wow. This controller right here. Perfect. I am grateful that I am somewhat smart. Because I don't think anyone used the string technique. It was just a last resort sort of a thing. Yeah. Well, I'm currently on this level and I don't want to really explore anything. I just want to test the controller out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you later. Bye.